Hi, today I'm going to show you what's inside my DS case. Now this is a 3DS case, but I used it for my DSi because, you know, I just did. Also the zipper, where's the zipper? The zipper says Nintendo 3DS. I don't know if you can see, but it does say that. Let's see what's inside this little piece. Inside, I only have 3 games right now. Holds up to 8 games. In here, let's see the 3 games that I have. Namco Museum DS, Mario Luigi Bowser's Inside Story, and finally, alright, now moving on to the console. Sorry for the background noise. Alright, here's the console. It is a DSi. It's black. Hold on. Open it. There we go. So yeah. And I have some games downloaded on it. I have Mario vs. Donkey Kong, Minnie's March Again, and Paper Airplane Chase, Flipnote Studio, and all these fun little ones. Even the color that I picked for the things are light green, booger green, I don't know. Now moving on to the charger. This is the charger for my DSi. Yeah. Wait, what the heck am I doing? Anyways, guys, that's what's inside my DS case. It's actually a really cool case. So, yeah. If I ever update this case or get new games or anything else like that, I'll definitely make a video of this being updated. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you liked the video. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.